Hello everyone, myself Surendra Kumar Singh from Jamshedpur. Welcome to my class. Today we will discuss chapter 4 from NCERT book, Quadratic Equations. First we will discuss what is quadratic. Any variable whose power is 2. Any variable whose power is 2 is called quadratic. ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0 is a quadratic polynomial. When we equate this polynomial to 0, we get quadratic equation. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. When we equate this polynomial, this is when ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. When we equate this before equal, ax square plus bx plus c is quadratic polynomial. When we equate this equal to 0 is called quadratic equation. Now the question is that what is quadratic equation? This question come in your mind. So now I am telling you what is quadratic equation. Any equation containing a single variable of degree 2, its general form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where x is the variable and a, b and c are constant, where a not equal to 0. Now the question is what is the correct definition of quadratic equation. So we will discuss about this. Any equation whose degree, that is highest power is 2, is known as a quadratic equation. For example, x square plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we will start exercise 4.1. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. In this exercise, we have to check that given equations are quadratic equation or not. So first we will solve first question. X plus 1 whole square. We can put it in a formula a plus b ka whole square. A plus b whole square. Do you know what is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. We have to put simply in this formula. A, here is a, the value of a is x and the value of b is 1. So a square means x square plus 2ab, 2 we write as it is in formula. A the value of a is x and b the value of b is 1. So 2ab is completed plus b the value of b is 1 square. Now before equal is completed, after equal we multiply 2 into x, 2x minus 2 3 6. After that we solve it. X square plus 2 into x into 1, 2x plus 1 square 1, 2x minus 6. After this 2x minus 6 we send left side. X square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x. Here is after equal 2x is in the plus. When we send left side, sign will change and this minus sign will convert into plus sign. After that equal to 0 because both term we send left side. So nothing is left means 0. After that x square plus 2x and minus 2x is cancelled. Plus minus minus. What is left? Plus 1 and plus 6. So 6 plus 1 7 equal to 0. So easily we can say that x square, the power, any variable, I told you that any variable whose power is 2, that is quadratic equation. So we can write this way also, x square plus 0 into x plus 7 equal to 0. It is in the form of, it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the given equation is a quadratic equation. Given equation is a quadratic equation. This way, first question is completed. So what you have seen, after solution, whenever you see that x square plus 7 means if any variable power is 2, it means that this is quadratic equation. Okay. You have to solve this way. Now come to question number 2. See, exercise 4.1, question number 1, 8 question is here. So I have solved question number 1. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is x square minus 2x equal to minus 2 bracket close in bracket 3 minus x. We have to solve only, and we have to check that after solution this question come in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we start solving. X square minus 2x before equal. After that, here we have to multiply minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 into x 2x. After this minus 6 we send left side and plus 2x also. X square minus 2x minus 6 convert into plus 6 and this plus convert into minus 2x equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x. Why? Because minus minus plus, same sign, addition, and we put minus sign, plus 6 equal to 0. Here also we can see it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we can write it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the given equation is a quadratic equation. So this way we have solved 2 sums. After that, come to question number 3. This question, x minus 2 bracket close in the bracket x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 bracket close in the bracket x plus 3. See, question number 3. In the bracket x minus 2 x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 or x plus 3. Now we start solving. X minus 2, x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 and x plus 3. First we multiply this x to x plus 1. We write like this, x to x plus 1. After that this minus 2 to x plus 1. First this we multiply to all both term, then again we multiply to this both term. We write like this x to x plus 1, then again minus 2 to x plus 1 equal to same process here also, x to x plus 3, then again minus 1 to x plus 3. After that we start solving. Do you know what is this sign? This is called implies that. When we give implies that sign, when we write before equal and after equal. So here before equal is also written, after equal is written. That is why we give here implies that sign. This is implies that sign. Now we multiply it. X into x, x square, plus x into 1, x, minus 2 into x, 2x, minus plus minus 2 1 ja 2 equal to x into x, x square, plus 3 into x, 3x, minus 1 into x, x, minus plus minus 3 1 ja 3. Okay. After that we can see, we can simplify again. X square plus x minus 2x, minus plus minus, so 2x minus x. If we subtract it, we get minus x, minus 2 equal to x square plus 3x minus x, 3 minus x, 1x plus 2x minus 3. So here we can see these three terms we send left side. X square minus x, minus x minus 2. Here is the plus x square. When we send it is plus sign will convert into minus sign, x square, plus 2x minus 2x, minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. So this minus x square, here is plus, will cancel, minus x, minus x square plus x square cancel. What is left? Minus x and minus 2x, minus 3x, then plus 3 and minus 2 plus 1 equal to 0. What we see? There is no square. So this is not a quadratic equation. This is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we can write here, it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the given equation is not a quadratic equation. So this third question is also completed. I think we have solved. Continue 3 sums question, 1 number, 2 number and 3 number. I think next sums you can do yourself and it is easy, and now everything step is clear. So try it yourself. I think you can do. In this video if everything is clear, so please like my channel, like this video and share your friend and subscribe my channel.